Okay, so it took me a while to figure this problem. This is not a very big issue because yeah, as you can see, we are printing this variation object here like this. But we were expecting this to print the color and the size, right? So that is because if you go to this models, okay, here what we are doing is the string representation of this variation model is we have set to the product. So what we'll do is we will just replace this product with this variation value, and instead of this unicode we'll just say str. So this should actually fix the issue. Okay, so if you go back to the site here, let me remove this, uh, select white and medium, add to cart. So now we have added the product to the cart. Now let's see if we have print the proper output or not. Now you can see white and medium, right? So now we are bringing the values here, but we want to map the product to the variation. Okay, so because if you see this models, um, this variation model, we have a foreign key of product here, right? So that's why we want to get the specific variation for this particular product, this particular product. Okay, so that's why what we'll do, we will just say product equals product. Okay, so this product is nothing but the the field name and then the product. So we don't have the product yet because we are getting the product here. So what we can do, we can just cut this and put it here. Okay, so now we have the product. So right now we are getting the proper variation for the specific product. Okay, now that we have got this object, we want to make a list of objects because we can add as many as products we want, right? So that's why we have to make a list of objects that is the products with the variation, right? So to make a list, here we'll make a empty list variation products, or else product variation is equal to an empty list. We will use append method to make a list. Okay, we'll say product variation dot append, and we'll append this variation here. Okay, so now we can store these values inside a cart item. So now let me take you to the cart item, cart item model in the store. No, not store, I think it is in the carts dot models. Here it is. Okay, so here in this cart item we want to store this this product variation. Okay, so but the problem here is we don't have any database field to add the store the data, store the variation. So that's why we have to make one here. Okay, let's make a variations is equal to models dot, in this case we will say many to many fields, many to many field, that is variation comma blank equals true. So this will bring from the store dot models. So we are here using many to many field instead of this simple char field. So it is because many products can have same variations, right? Like what if we have the same product again with the new variation, like the same product with the different colors and size? We need to handle that situation also, right? So in that particular situation we will have to use many to many field. And so it's time to run the migrations. Okay, so let me go to the git bash window here. Let me stop the server. Let's say python manage.py make migrations. All right, we have detected one add field variations to cart item. Let's say python manage.py migrate. Now run the server. Let me go to admin. So here the cart items. So this is the cart item. Let me, okay, we have the error here, type error, str returned non-string. Okay, so how we can fix this? So let me take you to the code. So I think somewhere in the cart item here, okay, so we are using str with the product, right? So this is not product is not actually str, this is Unicode. Okay, so let me refresh. All right, and now we can see all the variations and all these things here. So for now let us keep it like this. So let's go back. So here you can notice a cart item object, all these things. We don't want to show this. So actually this is showing like this because we have not added any list display here, right? So in the, I think in the carts also we never did that. So we'll quickly do that. Let me go to the carts and admin.py. Okay, so here let's say class, let's make it for cart first, cart admin. So this is admin dot model admin. So for the cart I think only list display is enough. List display is equal to what are the fields we have? Cart id and cart added. Okay, only two. It's cart id comma date added. Okay, so now let's register it here quickly and copy this, paste. So this time it is cart item admin. Okay, so for this let's say list display cart item product comma, then I think let's say cart quantity, then the last one is active. Okay, that's enough I think. Okay, now refresh. All right, so cart items. Okay, all right, we did not register this one here. All right, okay, so let me go to the code again, views. All right, we are getting the list of variations here. Okay, so now this is the good time to add the variations inside a cart item. Okay, so we'll see that in the next one.